Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be answering the question, does Twitter notify other people when you save a picture or when you screenshot a picture? So this is a pretty interesting question, and I also found article on this question, which is, does Twitter notify if you save a picture? So as you can see, Twitter has a feature that allows you to save photos that come across your timeline. And you may have wondered if Twitter tells people whether you saved their picture or not. If you've been on Snapchat, you'll know that they have a screenshot feature where if you screenshot someone's story, then the person will be notified and told of the screenshot. Now, does Twitter notify if you save a picture? Fortunately, Twitter doesn't notify someone when you save someone else's picture. There's no way that someone will find out that you've hit the save button on the menu button for their pictures. So you can save as many pictures as you want on Twitter, and yeah, no one will ever find out unless you tell them yourself. And as you can see, for direct messages, Twitter doesn't notify you when you save someone's picture. If someone sends you a picture via direct message, Twitter wouldn't tell them, if you saved it or if you screenshot it, just like it's on Snapchat, right? On Snapchat is different. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. Does Twitter notify if you save a picture? It doesn't, as you can see. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thank you.